Slater said, "Tell me one thing. Yes? Are you enjoying your life?" "I am." "Then I'd keep doing this again and again. That's what I live for. Hearing things like that." She said, "Are you enjoying yours?"
Oh, alright. 2 of those is fine. 2 of those is fine. We would have liked another coin. Come on.
Fucking moron. God damn it. You fucking idiot.
Where the coin's at? Where the coin's at?
Llegó Erika. Y se va a ir. Sí. Mucho buzón. Aquí está.
His car, one of the most suing companies in Venezuela, to address ongoing problem of passengers being safely assaulted or raped. She also maintains that the now is she called for the after running into the kid's friends in downtown LA. She says she fell asleep, and that's when she saw
What the fuck?
pulled over climbing in the back seat. The top Uber has not responded so far.
After National Geographic documentary films presenting Endurance, Endurance follows a team of modern-day explorers who face the Herculean task of finding Sir Ernest Shackleton's famous submarine ship. Now streaming on Hulu and Disney+. And from Indeed, designed to be an end-to-end hiring solution for businesses of
Forest or the legendary trees.
Nine RWJ577.
Each week, one brand new story. A Planet Money designed for your inbox.
Paired with gloves. Learn more about harvesting safely and legally at LAist.com. There's also, that's also the place where you can grab the latest in medical news, by the way. Highs in the Los Angeles today, tomorrow, 10 degrees cooler, highs 60. You also have a chance of rain. Looking ahead to the weekend, a couple degrees warmer starting Friday and through the weekend, with highs in the 60s. Lows tonight in the 40s. This is LAist 89.3. It's 206.
Other contributors include Fisher Investments. As a fiduciary, Fisher Investments is obligated to act in their clients' best interest. Learn more at Fisher Investments.
Dumbass!
cunt! Okay, Garmin, save video.
Oh, good job. Good job. Oh my God. Hey, good job, bro. Good job. Woohoo!
It may rain. I'm curious because Chris said that he has like a limited amount of tickets that he can give out if it rains. So I don't know like what that's gonna be. Don't watch this guy.
Then you gotta put fuel in it. Oh, they just smoked each other.
What?
They just got in a car wreck right there.